Bedtime Story. The Koala and the Cockatoo, a tale of friendship and courage. Character Introduction. Kara the koala is a gentle and caring character with soft gray fur, large fluffy ears, and bright, curious eyes. She's a bit shy and has a fondness for napping on eucalyptus trees. Coco the Cockatoo is a spirited and talkative character, adorned with vibrant white feathers and a striking yellow crest. He possesses a sharp, intelligent gaze and is known for his adventurous nature, loving to explore and make new friends. Story. In the heart of the Australian bushland, where eucalyptus trees swayed gently under the azure sky, lived Kara, a young koala. Her world was a peaceful canopy of green leaves, where she spent most of her time napping and munching on eucalyptus. The gentle rustling of leaves and the distant calls of bush creatures were her lullabies. One bright morning, the quiet of the bush was pierced by a cheerful squawk. Coco, a spirited cockatoo with dazzling white feathers and a sunny yellow crest, had arrived. He loved to soar high above the treetops, his keen eye spotting wonders far and wide. Kara was intrigued by this boisterous newcomer. From her cozy perch, she watched Coco dance in the sky, a swirl of white against the deep blue. Despite her shyness, Kara felt an urge to meet this adventurous bird. The next day, as Kara nibbled her breakfast, Coco landed nearby. "Hello, sleepyhead. I'm Coco. What's your name?" he chirped brightly. Kara, a bit startled, shyly introduced herself. Thus began their unlikely friendship. Coco shared tales of his aerial adventures, while Kara spoke of the secrets of the bushland's heart. One afternoon, Coco rushed to Kara with alarming news. A bushfire was spreading rapidly, threatening their home. They needed to warn the other animals. Kara, overcoming her timid nature, joined Coco. They worked together, Coco flying ahead to spot the fire's path, and Kara guiding the smaller animals to safety. As they pushed through the smoke and heat, Kara's quiet strength and Coco's brave heart shone. Together, they led the animals to a safe valley, far from the fiery danger. Exhausted but relieved, they watched as firefighters and rain subdued the blaze. In the aftermath, the bushland was scarred, but its spirit remained unbroken. Kara and Coco, sitting side by side, watched new shoots sprout from blackened earth. Their bond, forged in adversity, became a beacon of hope and unity for all the bush creatures. Kara learned that courage is not the absence of fear, but the will to act in spite of it. Coco discovered the value of friendship and caring, beyond the thrill of adventure. Together, they showed that unity and bravery can overcome the greatest challenges. Question: how did Kara and Coco help the other animals during the bushfire? Moral: this tale teaches us that friendship can bridge differences, and together, we can face any challenge with courage and compassion. Kara and Coco's story reminds us of the power of unity and bravery, making our world a better place. Create your own story at adel.app.